Hi friends, join me as I walk you through on how to insert or create table of contents in Word. Open up your MS Word in your PC, select a blank document or an existing document where you want to add the table of contents in. After grouping your document into titles, headings, subtitles, and so on, as you can see on the screen, this is our title, this is our heading 1 and the subheadings. Now, to add table of contents to this document, you click on the reference tab at the top of the screen. You select table of contents. You click on the arrow beside it. You can now select an automatic table of contents or a manual table of contents. In the automatic table of contents, it would automatically fix in the headings and subheadings for you, while in the manual, you have to fix it yourself. So let's use one here. Now you can see that it has automatically made changes in the document. You can update it by clicking on Update Table. Once the set up, you can click on any chapter title or subheading to open the page. Now, you have successfully inserted table of contents in your Word documents. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.